We were just researching about bachat as well, and we realized this very interesting term, which is person first finance leader. Would love to know more about it. Probably people come to you, specifically when the markets are down. They will have certain insecurities, anxieties as well. How do you use this motto, and how do you actually incorporate it in your regular practice as well? Would love to hear about it.
Yeah, so I personally believe very much is that in personal finance, the person is more important than the finance. Finance and investment anybody can do, but to handhold the person, the individual, to guide them in a on a correct path, to ensure that they don't make the wrong decisions at certain crucial junctions, and those that are few of the more important job. That is one of the most important job of a financial planner as such. The plan can be prepared in few months and can be implemented for a long term. But what to do in case when the market are rising substantially, or what to do when the markets have fall down drastically in few days? How to behave in such scenarios? What to do in case some emergency happens in the family? How to react to that? And all those things. At that time, the role and importance of financial planner is much more crucial, and that's where the most of the time is also devoted as such. And understanding the petty nuances of the clients and his families, who all are the dependents and all those things, and accordingly building a financial plan based on that. So those are the few important things which we focus on. The idea is ultimately there should be a peace of mind. A person should be able to sleep very peacefully at night, irrespective of whether it is thundering or it is flooding outside. He should be able to get a peaceful sleep. So that's what the focus is at Bajaj.